Hello, my name is Sadia and I am the pharmacist on duty today. How can I help you?
I'm here for my prescription, please.
Sure, I can help you with that. Have a seat in our private confidential area.
Thank you.
So whatever we will discuss over here will be private and confidential, so please feel free to share any kind of information.
Okay.
So as you mentioned that you are here to pick up the prescription, so is it for yourself?
That's right.
Okay, and can I get your name?
My name is John Smith.
John Smith. Okay, John. So John, can you tell me the reason why did you go to the doctor today?
Well, for the last few days, I'm having a terrible diarrhea.
Uh-huh.
So I'm not able to understand why is that happening. So that is why I went to the doctor.
I'm so sorry to listen that it might be very bothering for you.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, but I hope like the medication doctor gave will work for you.
I hope so.
Okay, John. So I have your profile in front of me just to make sure that I have everything updated over here. Can I ask you a few questions?
Yes, sure.
As I can see on your profile that you are allergic to penicillin. So can you a little bit tell me like what happened when you take penicillin?
Yes, once I remember it was kind of weird. It was rashes all over.
Mm-hmm.
So I had to really go to the emergency. It was bad.
Okay. And apart from diarrhea, do you have any current medical condition?
No, I don't.
Are you taking any current prescription medications right now?
Yes, I used my doctor prescribed me for my dental procedure, which was clindamycin, I believe.
Are you currently taking it?
I took it like 2 weeks.
2
back.
weeks before.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I can see on your profile that you took it like 2 weeks before.
That's right.
Okay, and that is for your dental procedure.
That's right.
Okay, and what about your intake of any over-the-counter medication?
No,
Any herbal medication?
nothing.
And any multivitamin?
Nothing.
Okay, John. So before proceeding, can I ask you a few questions regarding your lifestyle?
Yes.
John, do you smoke?
No.
And what about your intake of caffeinated beverages?
That's rare. No.
Okay, and how about your physical activity?
Well, I try to be active.
Okay. And how would you describe your diet?
Is healthy.
Okay. And John, do you consume alcohol?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Which is not that frequent, like occasionally on the weekends.
Okay. Okay, John. Before proceeding, I need to ask you, do you have any other question or concern for me?
Nothing in particular except for this troublesome diarrhea, which is a lot of problem.
Okay, so you want to know the reason, like why this is happening?
The reason and the remedy as well.
Sure, no problem. So I can help you with that. But
Alright.
before that, I need to check my reference. So thank you for sharing the information. What I'll do, I'll quickly check my reference and we'll get back to you.
Sure.
Okay? Okay. Thank you for waiting, John. Doctor has prescribed you an antibiotic, which is metronidazole, at strength of 500 milligrams. And you will be taking one capsule 3 times in a day, so it's spaced at 8 hours apart. You can take it with or without food, it doesn't matter. And the therapy is basically for 10 days, so make sure that you complete the whole course of this antibiotic. No matter, you will start feeling better in 2 to 3 days, but you have to complete the 10-day course. Okay, does that sound okay to you?
Yes.
Okay. So the reason like why this is happening is, as you mentioned that you have taken clindamycin 2 weeks before. So clindamycin has a common side effect of giving this much bad diarrhea, which can even happen after stopping clindamycin, like even after a month of stopping clindamycin. That you have taken it 2 weeks before, so this is the reason. And the remedy you asked is basically this antibiotic, which now doctor has prescribed you. So as I mentioned, you can take it with or without food, but it can be hard on your stomach if this happens. So you can take it with food as well.
Okay.
Okay? And this medication will help you by killing the bacteria and will improving your symptoms of diarrhea.
Okay.
And apart from the beneficial effect of this medication, you may or may not experience some of the other side effects apart from being hard on the stomach, such as it can give you metallic taste, which can be unpleasant, and it can give you dryness of mouth, so which you can manage by taking sips of water throughout the day. And if you notice any darkening of the urine, so don't worry, it is basically a side effect of this medication.
All right.
But any of the side effect, if become troublesome, then you need to see your doctor. If by any chance, because there are rare chances that it happens, if you experience symptoms just as you experienced when you took penicillin, like rash, hives, shortness of breath, swelling of lips, So that is basically anaphylactic reaction, and you have to stop the medication and go to the emergency room.
Okay.
And John, as you mentioned that you drink alcohol occasionally, so I would strongly recommend you to avoid alcohol for these 10 days and additionally 24 hours after stopping metronidazole. So for 11 days, you don't have to take any alcohol. The reason is that if you take alcohol with and this antibiotic, it can give you a reaction known as disulfiram-like reaction, which you can experience as nausea, vomiting, flushing, palpitation, and increased heart rate.
All right.
So please avoid alcohol for 11 days.
Okay.
Along with this, I'll give you some self-care measures such as wash your hands thoroughly, especially after using washroom and eating your meals. Drink plenty of water to keep yourself hydrated. And you can also take Gastrolyte to keep your electrolytes normal.
All right.
Okay? Is this information okay for you, John?
It
okay.
is.
Is it okay if I can give you a call in 3 to 4 days just to make sure how are you doing with the new medication?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you for coming over, John, and have a nice day.
Thank you for your help. Appreciate it.